2 days ago, I printed a phone stand and it looked bad. Yesterday, I did some calibration and it got not much better. Hopefully, today is different. Time to measure more stuff. We're marking 70 millimeters worth of filament. Then we're going to extrude 50. Copy, paste, send, copy, paste, send. There it goes. Then we check the difference. It should read 20. More maths. We'll take this value, copy, paste, save and close. But for those of you who have asked, this is an Ender 3 Pro. Now, it's been modified. It has a new hot end and fan, and it runs Clipper. And that lets it print very, very fast. This guy can actually crank out a Benchy in 24 minutes. And that's actually why I'm in this predicament. I've been playing with these settings because I'm trying to max out the speed of the printer, but then I kind of just left them. And then I needed the stand. Anyway, we're underway again. And again, I'm going to increase the feed rate. Still not looking great. I'm going to reduce the feed rate back down to 100%. And then we'll see how good it prints. It is already looking better. I think I'm gonna stop this. So you can see where it prints nicer. It's right here. I started it again, but this time we're gonna leave the feed rate alone. I wanna see how fast this is gonna complete compared to the first one. And it looks so much better. This is what we're after. Here it is compared to the first one. It printed in just 49 minutes. Just like 2 minutes slower than the first one, which looks awful. Therefore, I don't know, but it's good enough for now and I can keep printing stuff.